How to change your profile name on Facebook in under 1 minute. Let's make this quick. Wherever you are on Facebook, you will always find your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. Click on that tiny picture of yours and on the drop-down menu, go to Settings and Privacy. From there, click Settings and you will be taken to the Profile Settings page. Look for your name on the main column and then click Edit. You may now change your name. For this example, I'm not gonna make any changes to my name. Please note that you can only change your name once every 60 days. And also, please pay attention to the rules. Facebook is kinda strict on this matter. Once you're done, click Review Change at the bottom, and a popping window will appear showing you how your new name will look like. Please be careful, you're gonna have to enter your password before you can save your new name. There you have it. That's how you change your profile name on Facebook in under 1 minute. Thank you for watching.